Today we were specifically tackling just a small section of the forest and taking out Himalayan and evergreen blackberry, two invasive species here. Mostly we saw the evergreen blackberry. Then after that we kind of mulched a layer that had been previously worked on.
I'm part of the Community Builder internship for Green Redmond, and my friends over there were organizing this event at Farrell McWhorter Park, and I thought I'd come out and help out and be one with nature and move mulch.
The main thing would be trying to preserve the forested part. You want to take out all the invasive species because they are threatening the health of the forest.
For me, it was really the community organizing part that attracted me to this internship. I like the idea of outreaching to totally foreign and new organizations and trying to build partnerships between Green Redmond and whatever organization, whether it be Boys and Girls Club or Bellevue College, Associated Student Government, or any of them really.